For the CCaaS Kickass tip of the week, I'm joined by Charlie from Vonage, and we're going to look at how easy it is to build and deploy virtual assistants built on AI, artificial intelligence, and it's available both on the Vonage UCaaS platform and the Vonage CCaaS contact center platform. Charlie, show us how we can leverage the virtual assistant.
I'd love to do it, Ryan, and thank you very much for that. So this is the Vonage Virtual Assistant, and this is actually what we call the Virtual Assistant Studio Builder. I'm going to show you how it's done. So I'm just going to click in here and do create an agent. So we can use this in a web chat format, that's HTTP. We can actually build these with WhatsApp. We can do it just through a standard phone call or a voice bot. So let's go ahead and pick a voice bot. I think that's a great starting point. Come in here and fill out our regions. We are an international company, as you know. Give this a name. I'll just call it Charlie Test. An API key is in the background. We do have many languages here. These voices are Google Poly voices. And then I want to put this agent in a time zone. And then I'm going to hit the next button. And then actually we have built templates just to make it even easier for you. Let's go ahead and pick package tracking. That's just how easy it is to get started on one of these virtual agents. So over here we have entities, intents, parameters, what you're looking for in terms of yes, no. But this is our starting point. So we have to start. Typically, we're going to have to assign a phone number to this, and we would typically record all your calls so you could hear what was going on. You're going to get a greeting, and again, all I have to do is click on this little box, and here's my greeting. This says, hello and welcome to our company. I could just edit this and welcome to Vonage. And there it is. You can also use your own audio files, right? All this is just, connect the dots stuff. So if I come in here, I just deleted out this connection. How easy is it to put it back, right? I just drag and drop here, right? Collects an order number, and this is going to be just measured against parameters. So I don't want to get too deep into the weeds on this whole thing. But you can see, so how are we getting all this stuff here? If I just click up in over here, if it's a collect input that I need, it's just drag it in, right? I just click on it to edit, throw in my text. Maybe if I want to do some retries, right? I can have the first statement, and if you don't get it, I can put second statements. But just to show you how easy that is, right? I would just put it where I need it, and then I would just connect the dots up to it. Now I'm going to get out of this particular instance because I want to show you one that I built. Now, one of the cool things about this is I'm actually capturing a lot of information about this caller out of Dynamics 365. We are renowned for our integration to Salesforce and our contact center solution. We took that same technology and we've married it to Dynamics 365, ServiceNow, and Zendesk with pre-built integrations. So let me show you that real quickly. Here's a contact in Dynamics 365. I've got all of his shipping information over here, street address, all those kinds of things. I also have details like nicknames, last four of your social, a PIN number, delivery dates, account balance information, credit limits, all those kinds of things. I am taking my call into contact center, scraping all of this data out of Dynamics, and then delivering it here to this virtual agent. So here's an example of all that. I'm coming in, I'm starting my call, I'm speaking, hi, you've reached Vera. And then my first question is, would it be okay if I call you by your nickname? But I don't say by your nickname. I'm actually taking that little parameter out of the Dynamics 365 database and I'm inserting it here. So would it be okay if I call you Ron in my case? I'm coming in here and I'm saying, okay, I can provide you, information about packages or payments, right? And then the first thing I do is I say, well, before I'm going to give you any of this information, you're going to have to give me your social security number or, last four of your social or your PIN. And in this case, I'm asking for PIN number information. Did I get my PIN number? So what I've said in here is the customer PIN that gets entered in here needs to be equal to the PIN number that I pulled in from my database. If you did that correctly, great. We're going to put you through and give you the information you've requested. If not, I'm going to take you out and say, oh, I could use your last four of your social. And again, through the same kind of process. I've got a full recording, so I can hit play and listen to this recording of that entire conversation. And then I've got that full transcript.
I talk to people sometimes, Charlie, they're intimidated by some of this newer tech like AI. You don't have to be. Look how easy this is to use. And it's hard to get people to work in call centers 24/7, 365. Well, here you have an unlimited supply of agents to handle those mundane tier 1 and tier 2 issues, which will help out with your staffing. So, Charlie, thanks for showing us this powerful feature of the Vonage platform, available both on the UCaaS, the CCaaS, or standalone. We'll have you back again. Thanks.
Thank you.